Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The male peacocks are known for its beautiful blue and green tail feathers. It is represented grace, beauty, and is associated with Indian culture and mythology. Female peacocks are referred to as peahens. Peacocks are shy birds that live in groups with many peahens and few peacocks. Peacocks have eye-like patterns on their feathers to attract females and scare off predators. It can fly but prefer to run on the ground. Peacocks have lifespan of about 10 to 25 years and found in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Java, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo.